Hello students, in this video we are going to study how to use an HR tag. Like BR tag is used to break the line, similarly we have an HR tag, that is the horizontal ruled line which is required or which is used to give a line in your web page. Okay, if you want a line in a certain place, then you can give that line with the help of HR tag. You can even change the color of the line. Also, you can change the thickness of the line. The broader, you can make the line more broader. You can reduce the line and make it a thin line. So these are the things which you can do with the help of HR tag. As your BR tag is a singular tag or an empty tag, you don't require /BR to change. To end your BR tag. In the same way, the HR tag is also a singular tag or an empty tag. You don't require /HR to end your HR tag. So let us do a program here. So I'll just write a program. So HTML, then we are going to write an head. Inside the head we'll give a title. So this is the title, and in the title I'll write heading ruled line. Okay, so this is the name of HR tag, and I'll just end the title now. Okay, so and then after that I'll be ending the head. Now we'll start with the body tag. Inside the body, now if I want two lines, okay, I just want two lines above my heading. So firstly I'll use one HR tag here, HR tag, okay, and then I'll be using one H1 tag for my heading. So inside the H1 tag I can give any type of heading. Okay, so currently we are doing a program on horizontal ruled line. So I'll be using the same heading for this program. So I'll just use /H1, and again one more HR tag I'll be using here. Okay, now I'll just end the body, and then I'll be ending the HTML tag. So let us save this program first of all. Yeah. So now I'll just run the program, and then we are going to make some changes in it. So this is how it appears. Okay, now currently it appears like that. Now we'll do some changes as per our requirement. Okay, so now I'll be changing some of the things in this. So by default the color of the HR line is black. Okay, now if I want to change the color, so I'll be giving the color as red. Okay, so this is the color which I'll be giving, and the size which I want to give for my line, so that size will be 8. Okay, so the same color and the same size, if I give it in the other HR tag, you can see that the color of the line is going to change. So here I'll be giving a yellow line, yellow, and here the size of the line will be 10. So let us see now the difference. So I'll just run the program again. So here is the program, and you can see how the horizontal, that is the HR tag, is working. So you don't require /HR tag to end your HR. Okay, so because of it we call it as a singular tag or an empty tag. Okay, so this was a practical regarding the HR tag. So please perform this practical. If any queries, please feel free to give a comment in the comment section. And these are the lines, and we have changed different shapes and colors accordingly. You can do it and you can try it out. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.